Again, a warm welcome to you all in my new session of mathematics, class 10th, and the chapter is going on coordinate geometry. So, students, today we are going to study about the area of the triangle in the coordinate geometry. In this chapter, as the general formula of area of triangle, you know that half into base into height. But here, if the triangles are given, they are in the coordinate plane and their coordinates of the vertices are given, then how to find the area of that triangle, this we are going to learn here. Okay students, so आप अपने घरों में रहिए और सुरक्षित रहिए विदाउट एनी इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन. नो नीड टू गो आउटसाइड. घर में रहो, सुरक्षित रहो. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू सी द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. इफ अ ट्रायंगल इज गिवन, ट्रायंगल ABC, and their vertices, the coordinates of the vertices are given. Let A, whose coordinates are x1, y1, point B, whose coordinates are x2, y2, and point C, whose coordinates are x3, y3, then you are getting a triangle ABC. So let in triangle ABC, coordinates of A is x1, y1, B x2, y2, and C x3, y3. Right? So to find the area of this triangle, let us draw that perpendicular lines AP, BQ and CR, perpendiculars on x-axis. Right? Perpendiculars on x-axis. Now to find the area of this triangle, we should know few formulas. First of all, after drawing these perpendicular lines on x-axis, अभी हमें तो ये कंफर्म हो गया होगा कि हमें कितने टाइप के फिगर्स इस प्लेन में दिख रहे हैं. जैसे सपोज करो, इफ वी आर टेकिंग दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल BQPA, दिस इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. कौन सा क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, कौन सा क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, ये पहले तो हमें कंफर्म करना है. सो इन दिस BQ इज पैरेलल टू AP, तो ये कौन सा क्वाड्रिलेटरल हुआ, दिस इज अ ट्रेपेजियम. Second quadrilateral, we will see this APRNC. APRNC. This second type of quadrilateral is also trapezium. Why? Because this AP is parallel to CR. Right? Chalo. Now two quadrilaterals we are getting. These both the quadrilaterals are trapezium. Third quadrilaterals, let us see this BQRNC. This is also a quadrilateral and it is also a trapezium. Means there are so many trapezium, 3 trapeziums you are getting. तो first of all, इस अपने एम तक पहुंचने के लिए हमें पहले ट्रेपेजियम का एरिया आना जरूरी है. So since we know that the area of trapezium, what do you know? Area of trapezium is equals to half 1/2 sum of parallel sides and multiplied by its height. So this formula you should know. इसको तो पहले कंफर्म होना चाहिए कि ट्रेपेजियम का एरिया क्या होता है, और ट्रेपेजियम का एरिया क्या होता है, area of any of the trapezium is equals to half into sum of parallel sides multiplied by its height. So parallel side without parallel sides, it will not be a trapezium. So it should be confirmed that what are the parallel side. अब क्वेश्चन ये राइज होता है कि हम इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया फाइंड कैसे करेंगे. So to find the area of this triangle, there is an important role of the area of this trapezium. इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है किसका, एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम का. मीन्स it should be clear that what is area of trapezium, then we can find the area of this trapezium, this triangle, right? Okay बच्चों, so let us see the figure. According to the figure, we are going to find out the area of triangle ABC. Be careful and see what I am writing. Area of triangle ABC we are going to find out. इस ट्रायंगल ABC का एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए दिस इज द ट्रायंगल, योर रिक्वायर्ड एरिया इट इज दिस. इफ आई एम राइटिंग एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेपेजियम प्लस एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेपेजियम माइनस एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेपेजियम, इज इट? मीन्स हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं, टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेपेजियम हम पहले तो फाइंड करेंगे एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम A, B, Q and P. Area of trapezium what? A, B, Q and P. ये ट्रेपेजियम है बेटा, और इसका एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए हम यही फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. बात समझ में आ रही है आपको? चलो नाउ इस ट्रेपेजियम के एरिया में वी हैव टू ऐड द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेपेजियम. सो A, P, R and C plus area of trapezium A, P, R and C. चलो अभी दोनों ट्रेपेजियम का एरिया तो हमने ऐड कर दिया. फाइंड करने जा रहे हैं ट्रायंगल का एरिया. तो ट्रायंगल का ये एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए इस दोनों ट्रेपेजियम के एरिया से इसका एरिया हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, माइनस करना पड़ेगा. सो माइनस एरिया ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम, विच वन? बी, क्यू, आर एंड सी. दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके बच्चों, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है अभी तक? हमने क्या किया, टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस आवर रिक्वायर्ड रीजन ट्रायंगल, एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेपेजियम plus area of this trapezium minus area of this BQRC. ठीक है ना? चलो now let us start finding the area of trapeziums. There are 3 trapeziums. इनका एरिया फाइंड करते हैं with the help of this formula. तो अभी चेक करते हैं एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेपेजियम ABQP. How to write this is half into sum of parallel sides. So ABQP, इसका पैरेलल साइड्स कौन सा है? BQ and AP. So sum of parallel sides BQ plus AP multiplied by height. और height क्या होगा? Height is this part which is QP plus, कोई कंफ्यूजन हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम लगे आपको तो आप क्वेश्चन राइज कर सकते हो, राइट? नाउ सी द एरिया ऑफ APRC. APRC इसका एरिया फाइंड करते हैं. सो इन दिस व्हाट आर द पैरेलल साइड्स? इन दिस पैरेलल साइड्स आर AP and CR. So it can be written as half into sum of parallel sides which are AP plus CR मल्टीप्लाइड बाई हाइट्स ऑफ दिस इज, इसका हाइट ये काउंट किया जाएगा विच इज PR इंटू PR प्लस नेक्स्ट, सॉरी नॉट प्लस, इट इज माइनस हाफ ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ BQRC, हाफ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ BQRC दिस ट्रेपेजियम. इसका पैरेलल साइड्स क्या है? BQ एंड CR. सो हाफ इंटू sum of parallel sides BQ plus CR multiplied by its height is QR. Its height is QR. Right? चलो, आफ्टर गेटिंग दीज, पहले तो आपको ये क्लियर होगा दैट ऑल द टर्म्स हैविंग 1/2 एज कॉमन, तो 1/2 कॉमन भी कर लेते हैं. सो वी विल गेट 1/2 BQ प्लस AP इंटू QP प्लस AP प्लस CR इंटू PR माइनस BQ प्लस CR इंटू QR. कोई कंफ्यूजन? चलो, नहीं कंफ्यूजन है तो हम अभी इन सब की वैल्यूज को फाइंड कर लेते हैं और वैल्यूज सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. एंड टू फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ दीज डिस्टेंसेस लाइक एज BQ. अब ये BQ है एंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस B इज x2 y2. तो बताओ व्हाट विल बी द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस BQ? BQ इज इक्वल्स टू y2 बिकॉज ये इट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑन y एक्सिस. तो पहले तो हम इन सभी वैल्यूज को लिख लेते हैं. BQ is equals to y2. So here we are writing BQ is equals to y2. Afterwards we have to find out AP. AP is this one. और ये लेंथ क्या बोली जाएगी? This is the coordinates of y axis which is y1. So AP is equals to y1. चलो, now third QP हमें फाइंड करना है. अब ये QP फाइंड करने के लिए यू हैव टू सी वेरी केयरफुली. पहले तो देखो दिस OQ क्या होगा? OQ इज इक्वल्स टू x2 एंड इफ OQ इज इक्वल्स टू x2 एंड OP इज इक्वल्स टू x1, सो व्हाट विल बी द मेजर ऑफ QP? दैट इज x1 माइनस x2. सो QP is equals to x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2. Any problem? Similarly, of this term, AP you got it, which is y1. CR check कर लेते हैं बेटा. CR is this line. और इस लाइन का मेजर क्या होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस कोऑर्डिनेट विच इज y3. आफ्टर दैट PR फाइंड करना है, दिस PR. सो टू फाइंड आउट द मेजर ऑफ PR वी शुड नो द मेजर ऑफ OR. OR इज x3 माइनस OP इज x1. सो दिस PR इज इक्वल्स टू x3 माइनस x1. PR इज इक्वल्स टू x3 माइनस x1. फिर नाउ BQ का मेजर हमने फाइंड किया है विच इज y2. CR का भी मेजर फाइंड किया है एंड QR लेट अस सी. दिस इज द डिस्टेंस QR. ठीक है ना? दिस इज द डिस्टेंस QR एंड दिस डिस्टेंस कैन बी रिटन एज OR माइनस OQ. नाउ OR इज x3 and OQ is x2. So x3 minus x2 is QR. That is QR. So QR is equals to x3 minus x2. x3 minus x2. With the help of these values we have to substitute here and we will get our result easily. चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. 1/2. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. BQ इज y2 प्लस AP इज y1 इंटू QP इज x1 माइनस x2 प्लस AP is y1 plus CR CR is y3 into PR. PR is equals to x3 minus x1. x3 minus x1 minus BQ. BQ is y2 plus CR. CR is y3 into QR, and the measure of QR is x3 minus x2. Measure of QR is x3 minus x2. So this is x3 minus x2, right? Now we got this whole value. अभी हमें इस वैल्यू को सॉल्व करना है. एंड हाउ टू सॉल्व? बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग दीज ऑल द टर्म्स. सभी टर्म्स को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो बताइएगा. सो लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई. सो हाफ into, we have to multiply by y2 in this. So y2 x1 plus x2 y2, sorry, this is will be minus because y2 is multiplied in this bracket. Now minus x1 y1 plus x1 y1 minus x2 y1. Similarly this plus x3 y1 minus x1 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y3 . Now here is the minus sign, so this number you have to write down in bracket. x3 y2 minus x2 y2 x2 y2 plus x3 y3 x3 plus x3 y3 minus x2 y3. अब हम इस वैल्यूज को सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, राइट. सो हियर इन दिस, बिफोर दिस ब्रैकेट, x1 y1 is positive here, x1 y1 is negative over here, right. Now let us see anything else that can be subtracted. y1 x3 y1 is here, x2 y2 is here, x3 x1 is here, y2 is here, x1 y2. Is there any other term? x1 y3 is, so it's not there. So let us write down once again. y2, our x term we have to write down first, x1 y2 minus x2 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y3 minus, now open this bracket by multiplying with minus sign, x3 y2 plus x2 y2 minus x3 y3 and plus x2 y3, right. Any problem? Now अभी सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, देखते हैं. x1 y2 is here. Is there any other x1 y2? it is x1 y3. So there is no x1 in other term, x1 y2 and x1 y3 is here. So it means it cannot be simplified. So both the terms you just write down it here together, x1 y2 x1 y2 minus x1 y3 x1 y3. Now let us see, x2 y2 is negative over here, x2 y2 is negative over here, x2 y2 is positive over here. So these two numbers are simplified, x2 y2 x2 y2, it was negative, it was positive, so both are cancelled. Now x2 y3, this term you just write it, x2 plus x2 y3. Now with this term we need to write down this x2 y1 minus x2 y1. Okay, afterwards let us see, this x3 y3 is positive over here, x3 y3 is negative over here, these two are also cancelled. So remaining term is this one plus x3 y1 and minus x3 y2 x3 y2. Now this is are the conclusion, and in this when we will solve we will get our result, that is the area of the triangle. Let us see after simplifying this what we will get. अभी हम ये देखते हैं कि what is our final result. This is it is, you can say 1/2 this line. Once again I am going to write down, in which x1 y2 minus x1 y3 plus x2 y3 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y1 minus x3 y2. Okay, now we got total 6 term, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 term we got it, right? After getting these 6 terms, let us make the pair of 2 2 and see what is common over there. So in the first two term x1 is common, so x1 taken common, you will get y2 minus y3 plus in third and fourth x2 is common, so you will get y3 minus y1, and in the fifth and sixth x3 is common, so you will get y1 minus y2. So this is our area of the triangle, that is the general formula. So what we got, area of triangle ABC is equals to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Dear students, this formula should be learned by you, so you can, with the application of this, you can find the area of any of the triangle as well as area of any of the quadrilateral also. And how to find the area of quadrilateral, it will be explained in the exercise, right? Okay friends, let us see the example number 11, that is just application of that area of triangle which we have read now. In this it is given, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given, means the coordinates of the vertices are given. So let the triangle be A, B and C. So in the solution of this question, let our triangle be A, B and C, in which coordinate of point A, vertex A, is 1, minus 1. Coordinate of vertex B, B minus 4, comma 6, and C is minus 3, minus 5. These are the coordinates, right? So if you are taking A is 1, comma minus 1, and let it be x1 is equals to 1 and y1 is equals to minus 1, right? And the coordinates of B are minus 6, minus 4, 6. Therefore x2 is equals to minus 4 and y2 is equals to 6, and the third vertex is C. Its coordinates are minus 3, minus 5. So suppose this is x3, y3. So x3 is equals to minus 3 and y3 is equals to minus 5, right? हमने पॉइंट्स A को क्या सपोज किया, x1, y1. सो हमें x1, y1 की वैल्यू, x1 is 1, y1 is minus 1. This point B we have taken, which is x2, y2. So x2 is equals to minus 4 and y2 is equals to 6. And the point C is x3, y3 we have taken. Therefore this is x3 is minus 3 and y3 is minus 5. And how? With this, if you are seeing this, let us, this is the triangle ABC. A is this, whose coordinates are 1, minus 1. B is this, its coordinates are minus 4, 6. And C is this, its coordinates are minus 3 and minus 5, right? So it is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Based on this, the values we have written. Now let us find out the area of this triangle by applying the formula. So the area of triangle ABC is equals to, first we need to write down the formula, that is equals to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula. अभी हमें क्या करना है, अभी हमें इन सभी वैल्यूज x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 की वैल्यू यहाँ से सब्सटीट्यूट कर देना बस, एंड सिंप्लीफाइड इट. ओके, सो हाफ इंटू x1, x1 is 1 into y2 minus y3. So you have to be careful. y2 is 6 minus y3. So 6 minus of minus, that becomes plus 5. ध्यान से देखना, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो बताना. This can be written as r. इसको हम इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं, 6 minus of minus 5. आई बात समझ में, बिकॉज y3 is minus 5 plus x2, value of x2 is minus 4. चलो, so minus 4 we have substituted into y3 minus y1. So again in curly bracket, y3 is minus 5 minus y1 is minus 1 plus x3. x3 is minus 3 into y1 minus y2. y1 is minus 1 minus y2 is 6. Right? Simplify करते हैं. It can be written as half into 6 plus 5 minus 4 into minus 5 plus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 6. So this can be written as half 6 plus 5 is 11 minus 4 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 7. Now simplified it. 11 plus minus minus plus 4 4 is 16 minus minus plus 7 3 is 21. So all are the positive, so add and divide it by 2. Half into 61718 2 3 and 4 divided by 2, you will get simplified 24 square unit is the answer of area of this triangle whose vertices are given here. Okay, let us see the example number 12. Just same question it is as example number 11 we have read. Find area of the triangle formed by the vertices a 5 2, b 4 7 and c 7 comma minus 4. So let in the solution of this, first you have to suppose, let point A, which is phi 2, that is x1 y1. So from here x1 is equals to 5 and y1 is equals to 2. Point B is given whose coordinates are 4 7. So from here x2 is equals to 4 and y2 is equals to 7. And point C is coordinates of C is 7 minus 4. Therefore x3 is equals to 7 and y3 is equals to minus 4. Let us substitute these values in the formula of area of the triangle. So area of triangle is equals to, therefore area of triangle ABC equals to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Substitute all the values. Half into x1 is 5 into y3 y2 minus y3, y2 is 7 minus y3 is minus 4. So this you should write there in the curly bracket. Y2 is 7 minus y3 is minus 4, so minus of minus 4 plus x2 is 4, y3 is minus 4 minus y1 is 2 plus x3 is 7, y1 is 2 minus y2 is 7. Let us simplify to get our answer. Half 5 into 7 plus 4, minus into minus is plus, plus 4 into minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 plus 7 into minus 5. Let us solve it. It can be written as half 5 into 11 minus, plus into minus is minus, 4 6 are 24, and plus into minus is minus, 7 5 are 35. So this can be written as 5 into 11, that is 55, minus these two terms are negative, you can add it, 59 it is. So half into 55 minus 59 is equals to minus 4, which gives you minus 2. So here the area of this triangle we are getting in negative. Is it possible that area of any of the triangle or quadrilateral or circle, area means it cannot be negative, or length of any line segment cannot be negative. So as the area of this triangle is coming in negative, it means the vertices which are given over here, these are not the vertices of a triangle, means this area is not possible. Therefore area cannot be negative, area can't be negative. So since the area of this triangle cannot be negative, so what we have to do, we should do it, we will take the positive value of this, means its numerical value we have to take, or you can say we have to take the modulus of this number, which gives you the positive value. Therefore modulus of minus 2 gives you the plus 2, gives you the plus 2. So the area of triangle is, therefore area of triangle is equals to 2 square units. Right? Let's move on the example number 13. Find the area of triangle formed by the points P, Q and R, where the coordinates are P minus 1.5, 3, Q 6, minus 2, and R minus 3 and 4. Okay. So to find the area of this triangle, we have to suppose which one is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So P, the coordinate of P be the x1, y1. Let P, whose coordinates are minus 1.5, 3, means this is x1 is equals to minus 1.5 and y1 is equals to 3. Q, coordinates of Q are 6, 2, minus 2. It means x2 is 6 and y2 is equals to minus 2, and the points are, coordinates are minus 3, 4. Therefore x3 is equals to minus 3 and y3 is equals to 4. Right? Okay. पहले तो हमने x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 we have taken, और इसको ध्यान से लीजिएगा. Now let us apply the formula to get the area of this triangle. Therefore area of triangle PQR is equals to formula half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Let us substitute it. The values, half x1 is minus 1.5, y2 minus y3, y2 is minus 2, y3 is 4 minus 4, plus x2 is 6, y3 is 4 minus y1 is 3 plus x3 is minus 3, y1 is 3 minus y2 is minus 2, y2 is minus 2. Let us solve this. Okay, so half minus 1.5 multiplied by minus 6, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, plus 6 multiplied by 1, minus 3, because plus into minus is minus, 3 multiplied by 3 plus 2. So this gives you the 6.5 is 9, gives you the positive 9 plus 6, 6 1 is 6, minus 3 multiplied by 5. So half into 9 plus 6 is 15, minus 3 5 is 15, which gives you 0. 0 multiplied by half is 0. Right? Now, third type of question is the different others also. As you got the example number 11, it was simple to find the area of triangle. In example number 12, that area of triangle you are getting negative. So, area cannot be negative, that's why we have taken always positive number. Right? So, minus 2 it was, usko humne plus 2 suppose kiya. Now, here area of triangle is coming 0. Since area of triangle came 0, therefore, these are not the vertices of a triangle, or you can say they are not forming a triangle. So, what are they forming? They are forming a straight line, means these points P, Q and R are collinear. Therefore, since the area is 0, therefore points P, Q and R are collinear. Got it the point what I said? Since the area is 0, it means these points are not forming a triangle. If they are not forming a triangle, then what are they doing? They are forming a straight line. It means they are collinear. Understood? Next example number 14. In this it is given that find the value of k if the points A 2, 3, B 4, k and C 6, minus 3 are collinear. Here conditions are given. These points are collinear. So these points are collinear. Just before the examples we have read, when these points are collinear, when the area of triangle from these 3 points will be 0. Since it is given they are collinear, so it means area will be 0. Right? So as these points we are going to find out the value of k from here. So as take x1 is equals to let A which is 2, 3, therefore x1 is equals to 2, y1 is equals to 3. Point B whose coordinates are 4k, therefore x2 is equals to 4 and y2 is equals to k. And point C coordinates are 6, minus 3, therefore x3 is equals to 6, y3 is equals to minus 3. Right? Right. As we have taken these points, it means here it is given since points A, B and C are collinear, therefore the result is area of triangle ABC will be equals to 0. Since area of the triangle ABC will be 0, therefore Now half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equals to 0. Now substitute all the values. If this is equals to 0, so this half will be also in 0. So no need to write down this 1 upon 2. Substitute the values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 in this. x1 is 2 into y2 minus y3. y2 is k minus y3 is minus 3, so minus minus plus 3, plus x2 is 4, y3 is minus 3 minus y1 is 3, plus x3 is 6, y1 is 3 minus y2 is k, equals to 0 multiplied by these two, that becomes 0. Now solve it. 2k plus 3 2s are 6 plus 4 multiplied by minus 6 plus 6 3s are 18 minus 6k is equals to 0. Now 2k minus 6k equals to minus 4k equals to minus 4k. This and this is, so 6 plus 18 plus 24 and this is minus 6 4 are 24 equals to 0. So minus 4k, this 24 is cancelled, equals to 0. So k is equals to 0 is our required answer. The value of k, what we got? 0, which is our required answer.